The human appendix has long been an anatomical enigma, with its purpose and contribution to our digestive processes being a subject of debate and research for many years. Once dismissed as a vestigial organ with no real function, the appendix is a small tube shaped pouch attached to the large intestine at the junction of the small intestine. Early theories suggested that the appendix was a remnant of a larger cecum, an organ found in our herbivorous ancestors that was used for digesting cellulose in plant material. As human diets evolved to include less roughage and more easily digestible foods, the need for a large cecum diminished, leaving the appendix as a shrunken vestige. However, more recent findings have shed light on potential roles of the appendix that suggest it is not entirely useless. The inside of the appendix is filled with lymphoid tissue, which supports the immune system by producing antibodies that fight infections. Its position at the junction of the small and large intestines is strategically advantageous, allowing it to act as a storehouse for beneficial bacteria. This role becomes particularly important during illness. When the body experiences a diarrheal illness, which purges both good and bad bacteria from the gut, the appendix can help to effectively re-inoculate the digestive system with beneficial bacteria, aiding in recovery and maintaining gut flora balance. Some studies have further connected the appendix to the development of gut immunity. The lymphoid tissue in the appendix is involved with the maturation of B lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell, and also aids in the generation of a specific protein that helps the movement of bacteria from the bloodstream into the gut. Despite these insights, the appendix does not play a direct role in everyday digestion like other parts of the gastrointestinal tract. It neither contributes to the enzymatic breakdown of food nor to the absorption of nutrients. It is not considered essential for daily digestive processes, which is why an appendectomy, the surgical removal of the appendix, typically has no detrimental effect on a person's ability to digest food. Interestingly, the number of appendectomies, often performed in response to appendicitis, an inflammation of the appendix, highlights both the prevalence of the condition and the organ's dispensability within the digestive system. Appendicitis affects approximately 5% of the population, making it one of the most common surgical emergencies. The risk of developing appendicitis peaks in teens and young adults, with the majority of cases occurring between the ages of 10 and 30. In conclusion, while the appendix isn't critical to the digestion of food, it does have roles that contribute to the body's immune system and the maintenance of gut bacteria health. These functions mark it as an evolving structure within the human body that retains some significance, even if it isn't on par with other, more vital organs in the digestive system. Thus, while the appendix may not be front and center in the digestive process, its supporting roles in health and immunity paint a more complex picture of this often misunderstood organ.